Good evening, students. We are in inverse trigonometry functions. Let us continue with other graphs and everything, properties. Now, y equal to cot inverse x. We are knowing cot x का principal domain open interval 0 pi. So, between open interval 0 pi to r, this function is bisective. So cot inverse x क्या होगा? R to open interval 0 pi. This is principal domain of cot x. So this is the principal branch value. मतलब for this principal domain, here you got inverse branch with this range, principal branch value, open interval 0 pi. मतलब as principal range. Similarly, you can define other blocks of cot inverse x from R to minus pi to 0. NPR, non-principal range this is, and also cot inverse x from R to 0 pi ho gaya. Next pi to pi, this is also non-principal range. Like this we can define infinite branches, non-principal branches. Now I am plotting its graph, cot inverse x. You are knowing inverse function graph is obtained by interchanging x and y. This is y equal to pi. This is y equal to 0. So बीच में pi by 2, y equal to pi by 2 is this. Graph is a strictly decreasing arc. Back of this. This is pi by 2. This is pi. So between 0 to pi, curve is decreasing, cot inverse x. So this is principal branch value. मतलब principal range में draw किया मैंने. Similarly, I am drawing one non-principal branch also, minus pi to 0. Between minus pi to 0, you will get minus pi by 2. Same arc will repeat, same decreasing arc, strictly decreasing arc. Like this. This way you can repeat the graphs in non-principal ranges. This is the principal range. 0 pi is the principal range for y equal to cot inverse x. You can repeat as many non-principal ranges. Same curve repeats in each and every branch. This is the principal range, open interval 0 pi. Minus pi to 0, non-principal range. Like this, minus 2 pi to minus pi, minus 3 pi to minus 2 pi, and over pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi, like this you can draw. Now, cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x graphs. Graphs of cosecant inverse x and secant inverse x. You are knowing cosecant x principal domain is closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2, minus singleton set 0. To r minus open interval minus 1, 1, or you can say minus infinity to minus 1 closed union closed 1 to infinity. This function is invertible. मतलब cosecant inverse x कहाँ से कहाँ तक आता है? This is the principal domain PD. So inverse के लिए यही principal range हो जाएगा r minus open interval minus 1, 1 to closed interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2, minus singleton set 0. This is the principal value branch या principal range you can say. Now in this range I am plotting its graph. Between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, this is y equal to pi by 2. This is your x-axis, matlab y equal to 0, and here it is y equal to minus pi by 2. Okay. So for my convenience I am plotting dotted lines at minus 1 and 1. Dotted vertical lines I am drawing at minus 1 and plus 1. Cosecant inverse of minus 1 you are knowing, minus pi by 2. This one minus 1 minus pi by 2, and cosecant inverse of 1 pi by 2, matlab 1 pi by 2. So minus 1 minus pi by 2. In this, from at minus 1 you will be getting an arc like this, and at 1 you will be getting like this. Matlab this is asymptote y equal to 0. X-axis is the asymptote for this curve. So this is the graph of cosecant inverse x in the principal range minus pi by 2 minus singleton set 0. Here it is upward arc and here it is downward arc. Clear? This is cosecant inverse x. If you continue the other branches, you will be getting like this. See, if you continue lower one, you will be getting this arc, and here इसका equivalent arc इधर भी आ जाएगा. Right? So here I am drawing only principal branch. Right? This is cosecant inverse x. Now cosecant inverse x domain is r minus open interval minus 1 1, matlab minus 1 and lesser, and plus 1 and greater, not in between minus 1 and 1. Right? And range is minus pi by 2 minus singleton set 0. Very clear, students? Now secant inverse x. Secant inverse x also I am plotting with only principal branch. Other branches also we can continue, not a problem. So secant x, principal domain is 0 pi minus pi by 2, singleton set pi by 2 to r minus open interval minus 1 1. This function is once again bijective, मतलब invertible. So secant inverse x कहाँ से कहाँ तक आता है? Secant inverse x is a mapping from r minus minus 1 1 to open interval 0 pi minus singleton set pi by 2. This is the principal range या principal value of branch of secant inverse x. For this also I am plotting its graph. Only the principal branch I am drawing. This is y equal to 0, and here it is y equal to pi, बीच में pi by 2. This is y equal to pi by 2. You will not get it in the graph. मतलब in range you will not be getting this y equal to pi by 2. Once again I am plotting vertical lines at minus 1 and plus 1. Dotted lines minus 1, and here it is plus 1. So at minus 1 you are getting pi, so this is minus 1 pi, and 1 0 1 0, you are getting like this at 1 0. The upward arc you will be getting like this. And at minus 1 pi you are getting a downward arc. मतलब if you continue the upper region, मतलब non-principal region, you will be getting this other arc of that curve you will get. Okay. So this is secant inverse x, graph of secant inverse x in its principal value branch. ठीक है students? So secant inverse x domain is r minus minus 1 1 and the principal range is 0 pi minus singleton set pi by 2. Right? We are knowing these inverse functions are non-periodic. Inverse functions are non-periodic. हाँ, लेकिन एक पॉइंट है. Suppose you have taken sin inverse of sin x. Sin inverse of sin